He said that a very long time ago. I mean, you need to get on the bus a very long time ago. I mean, you need to get on the bus
Okay.
fast.
They didn't come back.
Not play cards.
Stop! Martin.
I just wanted to cry because I'm so exhausted. Yeah.
I was wondering what the hell was about.
Focus in similar colour anyway. Cool, that was close. They're going to be here. Oh, Jesus Christ!
No shoulder check, no lights, Jesus. Oh, you nutsy.
Bagging all of it. So keep listening. Gemma and Mike will be here from 4 with your next chance to enter. Now, there is no confirmed date of Celebrity Traitors, but we know it's in the pipeline. It's going to be...
The fuck? You f***ing idiot!
Go. The rafters.
I mean, packed was an understatement.
Packed to the rafters.
I mean, I know the Christmas market was on, but it wasn't the first night it was on. Oh, 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 oh. wasn't the first night it was on.
Ladies from the parks and room. Oh, someone's getting a not allowed certificate. Not allowed.
At an affordable price. Imagine Care offers choices like care homes, home care, and care families can trust. Visit
Running the red
AgingCare.com
light.
or call 0808.
This isn't just actually about economic deprivation. It's not just about, you know,
Pretty sure that was a red light, mate. Inside.
Someone's trying to... Hey! You're not supposed
Naughty,
to...
naughty!
You weren't supposed to do that, you twat.
You're going for a piss? Oh.
Yeah, that's exactly what he's going to do.
I don't know if my camera's going to get it or not. Just disappeared behind Dream Doors at Grantham for a pee. Why bother going to the toilet in McDonald's, which is right behind where we're sat, and you can pee up the wall and be a scumbag?
Because I don't know why people, like men, seem to think it's...
Oh, fuck, it's sexist.
like they're big and hard because they piss up a wall.
Well, hopefully you're not big and hard, but stick up a wall, it'll go everywhere.
I mean, it's taken quite a long while. It's just having...
I hope not. This is a family's channel. Must have had a fair bit of string. State of it.
Leather. So it's like, oh, okay.
No idea. This taxi driver got faulty indicators as well. Yep, faulty indicators. Forgot you were out the window, you're an earshot. You gave me a fist bump and said Happy Christmas.
Oh, fist bump.
Who needs indicators? Who needs them?
What's the message?
Stuck in traffic. We'll be there in a few minutes, probably.
I got. Stuck in traffic will be there in a few minutes. Ready to send it?
Yeah, why not? What you call the greyhounded?